amazing. And not to mention, they are all students of Mrs. Viji Sona and they are participants. And Soumya too. Okay, now the truth is, I don't know as many of slogans that you people know. And frankly speaking, Purti knows none of them. Okay. Okay, my name is Vijay. I don't even know any slogan. What's your name?
Neha. Neha.
Neha.
Hashni. Sanjana.
Please give a big round of applause for them.
Pika.
Sahan.
Adu. Nitya. Mautika. Sanjana. Varsa. Sanjana.